day of spring today, and it's actually sunny outside. So that seasonal depression is just fighting for its life, and it is losing, which we love. I'm just on my break from work. I'm gonna go get myself a little bit of lunch. Pretty busy today, but that's okay. Makes the day go by a little faster. I am, however, going to probably end up doing some overtime today, but it's all good in the end. Let's see what Caitlin's up to right now. She's at home, so hopefully she's doing something a little more interesting than me.
You know what it is about, Isabel. It's about the fact that you covered for her for months. That's not true. Oh, please. Any cop can tell an addict.
I'm gonna blow away. I don't know if anyone heard a word I just said, but oh my goodness, the wind.
It's so windy outside. My house is shaking. Like, all four walls are shaking. My desk is shaking. My bed is shaking. I feel like the windows are going to bust out of my house. I feel like the walls are going to topple in on me. If I'm homeless tomorrow, don't judge me.
I may or may not have fallen asleep at 7:30 last night, and that is why you saw none of me yesterday. But that's okay. I'm well rested now today, and I am once again on lunch from work, and I'm gonna take you with me. I really don't know what I'm gonna have, to be honest with you, because the greatest challenge of every single day for me is trying to decide what to eat, and that happens multiple times a day. Like, I have to decide what I want to eat for breakfast, and then I have to decide what I want to eat for lunch, and then I have to decide what I want to eat for supper. Who has the time, or the brain capacity, or the decision-making skills? Like, I am genuinely driving aimlessly because I don't know what I want to eat, and I'm hoping that while I'm driving, something's just gonna jump out at me, and it's gonna sound really good. But in this moment, I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't know what I want. I genuinely wish that I did not have to physically feed myself. I wish that there could just be something I could do and I would feel full, because it would just be so much easier. Okay, that might have been a little dramatic, and I'm willing to admit that. That's fine. I can admit when I'm being dramatic. Does anybody else have this problem? Does anybody else feel this way? Or am I just being ridiculous and crying about first world problems that I need to shut up about? Like, I'm currently pulling up outside Subway, and guess what? I don't even want Subway. I have an idea. What has been seconds for you has been minutes for me, but in those minutes, I've had an idea. I'm going to Walmart. I'm gonna go to Walmart, and I'm going to get myself something that I can, like, throw in a microwave, because the thought of any fast food right now really just makes me want to die, and I don't want to die. Not today. Got too much stuff to do today. People, can we walk in a straight line across the lane instead of a diagonal, taking the longest amount of time possible? The Walmart parking lot gives me great anxiety, because why are we walking just directly in the middle of where people are driving? I'm back in this spot now. It feels near impossible for me to come into Walmart and not look at the clothes and stuff, so I have to try and ignore it.
You know that thing when you see someone cute and he smiles and your heart kind of goes like warm butter sliding down hot toast? Well, that's what it's like when I see a store.
I got myself some chicken and some jasmine rice. I did also find this, which kind of scares me. Poutine craft dinner. I'm probably gonna take that home and try it, but I did also get some regular ones because... Oh! I also got myself some cans of A&W root beer because that is the shiznit. So I will catch up with you when I get off. Let's see what Caitlin is up to in the meantime.
We never say goodnight to you guys, so hopefully that's something that we can start doing. Believe it or not, I'm gonna go watch The Rookie for probably the next 3 to 4 hours, and I will smell you later. Good night. Good morning. It is like 7:45 a.m. and I am about to get ready for work. Yeah, this is just what I'm gonna do. That's a little better. This is a pair of underwear that just came out of my dryer. I'm so excited to put that on me.
Do you want your BOGO sundae back?
From McDonald's?
Yeah.
Like a hot fudge sundae.
Well, like, yeah, Sunday, McDonald's.
Do you still have yours?
Yeah.
And you use mine?
Yeah.
So do I want mine back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Here, give me your thing. Here. That's just mean. Take your sticker.
Thank you.
Good.
Were you just gonna hit me?
That was.
Huh.
Good bitch.
I just got home from work. My boyfriend's actually in bed. He woke up very sick today, so I had to bring him some lemons and tea and some tissues because he's snotty and disgusting. Sorry, babe. Hate to expose you like that, but it's true. I actually just changed and just kind of reapplied my mascara because it was all down here. Love that for me. I love being a raccoon. Caitlin and her sister Jess are at the mall having a bite to eat. I'm gonna have a bite to eat here. I'm gonna go meet them at Clay Cafe and we're gonna paint some pottery. I think we're actually specifically going to paint the pottery pieces that people screwed up. They're usually cheaper. We love a discount. We love a deal. So we'll catch up again when Caitlin and I are together. So Clay Cafe is closed for an event with baby goats.
Flicking goats.
Flicking goats. Which we would love to attend, but I think we're too late to do.
That probably would have been expensive.
Oh yeah, we also can afford that. Oh. Fancy meeting you here.
Hi, friends. How you doing?
Howdy.
Oh welcome back to my vlog.
Bless you.
What can we do?
So what does it say about the rooms?
3 on the first Wednesday of every month.
Well, this is like the second last Wednesday of this month, so it's not gonna work. Go bowling.
That's cheap.
Bowling's like $7.
I think they would go bowling. No thanks.
That's a lot of games. Where'd you get those?
Please,
Can you tell they're related?
I think there's another one. Let's get do you pita pit?
Do I pita pit?
Yeah.
I love
I
pita
feel
pit.
like you did. You want pita pit?
Sure.
BOGO?
Yeah.
Rice bowl and drink purchase?
Oh no.
Okay.
You lost me on rice bowl.
6-inch pita,
I would do a 6-inch pita.
but it's BOGO. So you buy 1 6-inch, you get another.
I have to buy. Do I have to get it at the same time?
Yeah.
I don't
You
know
and
when I'm
Tyler.
ever gonna need. I mean, I guess.
Can you just get that one on file?
Yeah, hold on to that one for me.
Okay. 10, you got 10 points every time, but now you get 10 points for every dollar, and say you spend $7 each time, then you only have to go 11 times to get the free ice cap. But you used to have to go 14 times, so it's better now.
So
For you, I don't normally spend $7, but
So
it's better for you.
what you're saying is that when that skill-based question came up, you killed that.
Took me a minute.
Took you a
I
minute?
had to pull up my calculator. No, I did it in my brain, but
Sounds like a mathematician to me.
I had a 92 average in math, grade 12.
I think I got like a 50.
Almost failed grade 11 math now. Like a 52. I failed math. Anyhow, we going?
Bunch of smarty pantses.
Bombastic saga.
Bombastic.
Oh yeah. Okay.
See you there. Okay, so we're gonna go bowling, but first we're going to stop at Caitlin's house so she can get herself some socks because her crusty, dusty, musty self is sockless right now.
They're gonna be off my feet before I even leave the house.
Here, why don't you own normal socks?
On the wash.
So we're gonna stop there so she can get her socks. And so, why are they looping around? They're coming back. For why? Round 2. Anyways, so I'm gonna meet them at Caitlin's house, and we're actually just gonna get rid of Jess's car. We're all gonna get in my car, and then we're gonna go bowling. And if Minchie's is still open by the time that we leave bowling, I bet you that's what we're gonna do after that, because we deserve a little tweak.
Planes run around town in a big old range. You ain't back for just to get to you, like you asked for. Then that thing in them jeans too fat for. Rebound, so I call off the backboard.
This is not a parking spot! None of these are!
They park there?
Yes!
What do they expect?
I'll just park here.
Literally.
Okay, let's go guys.
Well, you can park over there.
No, this is perfect. Like, what? Do you want to...
Is it good?
Jess, why don't you tell them what's going on?
We went to motherfucking Clay Cafe. We walk up. 2 bitches outside the... Are you moving the car, Rebecca?
No, I just bring a park.
Okay. And there's a sign on the door, and it says, closed all day because goats are inside. Infested. No, they're playing with them. So we're like, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're sitting there 30 minutes. What are we gonna do? We pick bowling, okay? We're here.
Easy, right? Easy, right?
It's
Middle of the
packed.
week.
Idiots parked like fucking idiots. Caitlin calls. What's on the go? Is there any free lanes or is there an event? Yeah, there's leagues. There's fucking leaves! What are we gonna do now? Because there's nothing left to do.
That feels nice.
Does it?
That wouldn't. I'm so confused. This makes no sense.
So, to keep everybody updated, as soon as I put my phone up there, I think I hit the button to stop recording. So all of us, they don't know what we've lost. They don't know what we've lost for.
So I had a $20 bill right here in this cup holder. Right there. So, right there. And now it's not there. And that's pretty much the end of that. But, like, we don't know where it went. So,
Not only is it not there, it's not in the
This
entire
vehicle.
car.
nor is it in my pockets, nor is it in my purse.
Or my pockets from my purse.
Maybe your drink cost
It cost
$19.25.
actually it cost $5.80, and I paid for it in loonies and quarters, and that's the only reason I know that I didn't pay for my $20. Where'd my $20 go? Ugh. So I don't know. It's gone forever, I guess.
Sick night. Sick Wednesday night.
Like,
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
this is Rebecca's friend, and that person has a friend too.
I wonder if you're happy.
I forgot to lock up.
Bruh.
What is going on? Yeah, it's usually in this. Guys, Jesus, going on
Fill up your freaking ice cream.
They don't even have chocolate.
What the frick? You like Oreo.
Settle for Oreo. Just a little bit of vanilla.
That's it, okay? I'm paying.
Okay, that's it. That's all you get.
Oh, there,
That is gonna be expensive.
It's like only ice cream. Because you literally got like little turds of ice cream. Like, I don't understand what you're talking about.
No, not mine. Yours is gonna be expensive.
I know.
Oh, cap. CBH, I know you just put it on the scale and you pay and that's it. I feel like she fucked something up.
I thought we weren't paying at all.
I feel like it was too cheap.
I was like, man, there's nobody here. I'm going.
I'm walking out.
Somebody robbed it and we're like, thanks, boys.
Yeah.
Strawberry. It's a little sour.
Yeah, it's tart.
It is tart.
No, it's like literally called strawberry tart.
I want to taste it. You know?
It's like really good at first, and then it like does that to you. They have seriously downgraded in there. I'm not gonna lie.
Anybody get vanilla?
No, I feel like it's just a bad week for them.
You think?
No, because they normally have cake. I was here not long ago. 12 buckaroonies? I couldn't believe that.
I think that person's gas can is open, like gas tank.
Only would have been fun.
And all the old grandpas around us.
Having fun over there.
Are you making soup? Oh, look at you. You ate it all. I'm so proud.
So guys, I
She usually
got
makes
too
soup.
much.
Yeah.
You really think? Are you sure? Kim, you want to turn hers into soup?
bikinis, and I don't really want
There's
skinnies.
flames?
Oh.
I was picturing something. Yeah, me too.
I used to work at Warehouse One.
These are kind of cute. They're mom jeans.
You're cute, jeans.
Cute jeans. Speaking of cute jeans, they're kind of cool. If you wore like the right outfit with it, actually probably would be. What do we think?
I don't know. I kind of like them.
I'm gonna put them in the back for a second, but like we're not gonna lose those.
Do I want them? No. Yes, for those.
These have your name written all over it.
What about it?
Kind of cute.
Kind of cute?
Kind of.
Okay, Margaret.
Who's Margaret?
Your grandma.
Is that your? No, it's not. I was gonna say like your grandma's name, but it's Mark.
It's not a thumbs up, it's a pick us up. I can't. I have no muscle. Thank you, Mom. No flash photography, bitch.
Sorry.
Whoa, whoa. Rebecca just dropped me off, but I already forgot luggage in her car that we bought less than 5 minutes ago. So now she has to come back and drop off me. Girl, I will show your license plate.
Open my trunk while I'm in drive.
Oh, I thought you were moving away. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Thank you. Thanks for foods.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
What'd you say? Pay me back? Who's back?
Can someone tell me why when it's not snowing at all, they'll close everything and then it'll be like this outside and they'll say, ah, leave it all open. What the heck? She don't purr. We went to the store, so that's our little walk for the day. But the store's right next to my house. It's not gonna be very far. The littlest guy inside looks like he's seen some shit. What is it? Is it like just plastic? Because there's nothing underneath. It doesn't look like it's broken. I figured it was tape hiding holes, but I don't understand. Messy as frick, I can tell you that. I have to get this off because my hands are gonna be in my mouth and then I'm gonna be eating this before I know it. I love it. I don't love how it smells, but I love it. Definitely gonna put some perfume on it or something. Put a few incense in it. Get out of the luggage. My cats love to pee in luggage. Nick is not green, I see you. Everybody that has a cat that has luggage, I see you. I don't know what it is. I just got my heat and light bill. It is $550 for this month. Most of that was heat. Our pipes froze for a week last month, so we think that's what it was because we had to turn off all the heat in the house to bring the pipes back to life, to thaw the pipes. Fuck my life. Hey, so I don't think I've been talking to you since like maybe before work this morning, and that is my bad. I'm sorry. But I'm actually currently at Cheer Sport Sharks Newfoundland. I'm here to watch the Wild Sharks. They are having their friends and family night tonight, and they are going away to competition this weekend. So I'm here to cheer them on and watch them hit zero for the billionth time this week because they are talented icons. And yeah, I'll show you a couple clips of that now.
Aw, thanks, guys. That's so sweet. Do you guys want to come up and hold it over there? Yeah. Go to the front. Gotcha.
My name is Geoff.
You should be able to Chromecast to your eyelids. I want to keep watching, but I also want to be like, but I want to know what's happening. And hearing is not enough, and I don't want to open my eyes.
But I'm gonna get you high today. Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
I overslept for work. To be honest, I think I'm starting to get sick. I think that might be why. I'm up now. I'm defrosting. And I'm gonna go into work. See you when I get there. Alright, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. I've been at work for 5 hours and I need to go home because I do not feel well. So I think I was correct this morning when I said I probably overslept because I'm starting to get sick. So anyways, I'm going to go home and probably take a nice long couch nap, and I may potentially touch base with you later. Hopefully I'll touch base with you later, but hopefully I just feel better. Hopefully Caitlin is having a better day than I am so far. Guess we'll find out.
Pick your poison here. You can either get no videos from me, or you can get videos from me where I wear the same clothes all week. Hopefully Rebecca feels better, because if I have to spend the next 12 hours not talking to her, I'm gonna be bored. I woke up at 11 because I was getting phone call after phone call after phone call. Lauren just went to school, so I'm going to hop in the shower. We were supposed to go for Julia's 24th birthday tonight on a bus crawl, but we're supposed to get like 45 to 50 centimeters of snow, so that's not gonna happen. She picked a good time to get sick, I guess.
I've been home for a few hours now. It's like 20 after 5. I haven't taken a nap yet because I actually ended up having to bring my boyfriend to the airport. He was hoping to get out on a flight to Halifax tonight, but unfortunately that's not going to happen. So I have to now get ready and go pick him up from the airport again. Hopefully he'll get out tomorrow evening or Sunday morning. He is supposed to be coaching his cheerleading team in Halifax at their competition this weekend, but we don't know when he's going to end up getting out, so our fingers are all crossed, but it won't be tonight. I'm gonna go get him now, show you what it looks like outside.
Sir, you are way too large to be testing your limits here. You look real cute, but you're not gonna look real cute when you're down there crying with broken legs.
Like in the kitchen, two of us throwing them back and just being like, this tastes weird. Yeah, no shit, because you're eating fucking maggots. That's the OMG stands for oh my maggots. Thank you. Thank you.
It's their car now.
Thank you.
Alright, so we didn't go to Julia's house. We went to Jack Astor's, ate supper, ate some dessert, and got in the car and said, absolutely not, it's way too bad out. Why this was a surprise, don't know. We knew it was going to be snowing. Ooh, my pills are in my pocket. I forgot to take them. We were on a hill for the last 25 minutes trying to get up it. Plow hasn't gone up it yet. And somebody cut us off. We're going up a steep hill. And somebody that is at a stop sign, parked sideways, that is not sliding down a hill, cut us off. Thank you to the two kindest people ever that just got out in the middle of a snowstorm to help push our car up a hill. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to kiss you both. I hope everything goes your way, always, ever. I hope you guys have a beautiful marriage. I hope you have beautiful kids. I hope every time you go to McDonald's, they give you an extra nugget.
It's time to go outside and try to get ourselves. What are you doing?
Shoveling.
Shoveling? What, your hand? Good job. You ready? I'm scared. You probably can't even hear. You probably can't even hear anything from the wind. I'm just there. I don't even notice.
We might not even have to haul the snowblower after this.
Yeah, we probably can manage to do it with just the shovels now, actually. That made a huge difference. If we had to have one more day of this amount of snow, it probably would have been close to Snowmageddon. For the 25th day in a row, same thing. I woke up pretty early yesterday, but I planned so much out in my head to do at home. I did none of it, and then I was stressy depressy all day. Oh, really? So sorry for the lack of me yesterday, but I promise you what you saw was all I did. We're gonna go do a cake smash today. Hopefully we get some behind the scenes of that. We'll see Rebecca pretty soon. You'll get to see some editing today. That'll be fun. I want to wear my 1975 shirt, but I also don't want to get pink icing all over it and have it never come out. So this shirt is. Here's some cat socks. So I know Rebecca went out last night, and I don't think she got home until around 3. In her defense, I don't think it was like a going out and drinking going out. I think she was just over at a friend's house. She's supposed to pick me up to go to this cake smash for like 2:30, 3 o'clock, and it is 1:15, and she still has not answered my text or my FaceTime, and I am scared. And she just texted me telling me that she's not coming because she feels sick. So my sister Melissa is going to come with me instead, but anytime any small change happens, I'm immediately thrown into an anxiety attack. So this is super fun. Oh, a cat. I can't make up my mind at all. Changing my necklace. I was looking for another sweater to wear. I might change the shirt. I might put on that Los Angeles crew neck again. I don't know. Sun just came out a little bit though. Hi. I missed you.
Shut the fuck up. I don't like it any more than you do. It's my comfort sweater, okay?
If I'm being honest, guys, I'm not having a very good day. Honestly, feeling really sick. My throat is killing me. And just like feeling really anxious and just not having a good day. So I came out for a drive, now parked pretty much in the middle of nowhere. I think I can maybe hear skidoos. And if it's not skidoos, then it's a really terrifying creature out in the woods somewhere. So let's pray for skidoos. I haven't really done much this weekend, so I really apologize for the lack of content from me, but I've been so sick and so like just uncomfy. And I think going out yesterday and shoveling for so long probably didn't help. So I'm feeling a lot worse today. I think Caitlin was probably already talking to you this morning when I wasn't answering her because I was dead asleep to the world. I'm so sorry, Caitlin. I really did want to come with you, but unfortunately, I don't really want to get little babies sick. So honestly, what I really would like to do right now is just scream at the top of my lungs because there's nobody around and it would make me feel a lot better. But the issue is that my throat hurts really bad. So I'm afraid that if I scream, it's gonna make it worse. Let's try anyways. Yeah, I honestly really needed that. If you're ever feeling a lot of pent-up aggression and sadness and frustration, I highly recommend going out in the middle of nowhere and screaming at the top of your lungs because that felt really, really, really good. Not for my throat, but for my soul. It's been tough lately, to be honest, and I'm sure that that's the case for a lot of people, especially in the winter time. It's really, really hard to be optimistic and positive when you're just like stuck inside all the time and you're spending extra money on your heat so you can't even do anything because you just don't have extra money anymore. Everything's cold. You don't see all your friends near as much. You don't do all the things that you normally would do. I could go outside and go for walks, but like it's so cold and there's so much snow that I really do want to start trying to be more positive about things and to not draw so much attention and vibration and energy towards the negative. And I promise to work harder on that in the future. But I think being sick and like just some current circumstances have made that really difficult. I think on Friday I was talking to you last about those flights and how they were probably not getting out because of the weather. I was correct. The flights did not get out. My boyfriend is still currently in the province and will not be leaving the province at this point. There was some pretty severe weather at first, and then they had rescheduled most of the flights for today, like this morning, and those also all had to be canceled because there was actually a fire at the airport. Anyways, my boyfriend did not manage to get out of the province for competition this weekend, which was a little disappointing for him and for his team. And by proxy, I'm obviously upset about that for them too. But things happen, unfortunately. I'm heading home now. It's starting to get dark out and it's starting to get a little spooky out here. So I apologize for my lack of content from my end this week. Caitlin really held this one up for us, so shout out to her. That being said, I'm going to let her close this video out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.
If you've made it this far, thank you again for watching another week in our lives. It wasn't for nothing. Rebecca said she'll actually give anybody that's made it through the entirety of this video a foot massage. So get those puppies ready. She loves dogs. See you next week for some more pets and snacks and 12-hour computer days. Hopefully a lot less mentee bees. Probably not less mentee bees.